This week we will continue revising trappe van vergelijking, degrees of comparison. Remember that there are 3 steps. The first step will be the first column. The second step will be where you compare to one other thing or person. The third step will be where you compare to more than 2 people or things. That will be your third column. So the activity we did last week, we did page 66. This week we will continue with 66 at the bottom and finish up page 67. So I want you to complete until it says hier ouers is, and then 14b voltooi die kolomme soos aangedui. So this will be die stellende trap. So this will be the first step. This will be the second step. This will be the third step. Jonk, hy is jonger as, hy is die jongste. Donker, donkerder as, die donkerste. Grof, dis grover as, die grofste. Vas, dit is vasser as, die vaste. Trots, hy is trotser as sy pa, hy is die trotste pa. Hoog, hy is hoër as die boom, hy is die hoogste in die woud. Droog, hy is droër as die ene, hy is die droogste. Vroeg, hy is vroeër as die ander ene, hy is die vroegste. Hy is moer as, hy is die moegste. Hy is nuwer as, die nuutste. Refer to this page to get your answers. We've discussed intensive form as well, intensive form, okay? The intensive form is a way of saying something where you exaggerate. So it's extremely. If somebody is poor, what do we say if you're very poor? Okay, in Afrikaans, as iemand baie ryk is, dan is hy skatryk. As iemand baie klein is hy piepklein. Okay. The intensive form has no degrees of comparison. The intensive form is always written as one word. Okay. So I want you to read through these. If somebody's baie arm, we've done this. Is jy baie arm? Brandarm. As jy baie bang is jy doodbang. Then on page 69, if you haven't completed this, just complete this, fill in the intensive form of each word given in brackets using the information on page 68. In your Lekkerback book, I want you to turn to page 69, and then you need to use your dictionary to find the English meaning of each one of these words. Okay, so look up what is gebreekte been. What is a gebreekte been? It's a broken bone. Wat is bloeddruk? That is blood pressure. Wat is hoes? Hoes is cough. Then you fill in the English words. Only this table here. We've already completed this as well as that. If you've done this, then there's no need to do it again, but make sure that you've completed this.